Hello everyone, welcome to another ReaperBlock tutorial. Today we're going to check out this free plugin from AudioThing called FilterJam. I don't know how long this has been out for, but just caught my attention recently as a free plugin, and it's kind of unique. I can't really describe how it is. I'll just read what it says here. FilterJam is a multi-band resonant filter delivering weird ring mod-like filtered sounds. The input signal is divided into 4 bands that are then summed or multiplied together according to the selected mode. FilterJam can be very harsh or gentle. It can add brightness or depth to synth sounds, but it can also completely mangle acoustic sources. So it's a multi-band resonant filter, whatever that means. So let's check this out. I've got 3 different sound sources that we will play around with this plugin. First is some drums and synths from VCV Rack printed out. You may recognize that from some of my videos. So here's Synthtronic as the next one. It's a sort of a Juno arpeggiator. Yeah, Juno 60 arpeggiator. And the last one is another AudioThing plugin called SR88. First up is VCV Rack, and I'm going to open up FilterJam and turn it on. And this might get loud, hopefully not, but here we go. So as you can hear, it's a really unique sound. It's not something that you're going to get on your own with EQ, and I think this is a really fun way to do it. What's great about the AudioThing plugins is they have a random button, and you can actually lock certain controls to not move when you are randomizing. So right now I want it to keep my mix at 100%, so I'm going to right click and click on Lock Random. I don't want the gain to jump up randomly either, so I'm going to lock that as well. So now I can hit this button here, and it's going to choose random settings, different mode, different frequency, and different emphasis. And bypassed again. So as you can hear, really interesting, unique sounds. You can just hit random and find something cool and maybe move on quickly. Maybe it becomes an interesting bridge or intro section to your song. So here's a different synth sound, and let's see how FilterJam works on this one. I think it's pretty interesting. You can get a lot of really kind of unexpected sounds, especially I think it was mode 2 has sort of like a bell sound now. These high harmonics jump out that didn't seem to be there without this plugin. So that's pretty cool. And lastly, we're going to use this on SR88. Let's just solo the bass. And so I think you get the idea. It's pretty simple. It's just a couple controls, 4 different modes that multiply these frequencies in different ways. And yeah, have fun with it. You can get it from audiothing.com. It's called FilterJam. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Support the Reaper blog through Patreon. And visit reaperblog.net for a lot more tutorials.